好，
露露老师。
哦，你好，泰山老师。Hannah，
很漂亮。
好漂亮的花。So nice. Thank you. Look at that.
漂亮。
啊，
漂亮。
很漂亮的披萨饼。
香香。
我的沙拉。Okay, Hannah, what did you order?
Chicken vodka pasta.
Okay, let's take a look at pasta. 好吃，好漂亮。吃饭啦。
吃饭了。
Enjoy. A lot of people already here. I don't think we have ocean view this time though.
No, this one shouldn't. Although these guys can actually see it.
Yeah, look at them.
Off in the distance. Fire! Fire!
Yay!
Del fuego!
Look， 在这里你可以看到不同的房车，各种各样的房车。They're waving. Yeah.
Water hooked into our van, so now we can use the water all we want.
Okay.
And we've got electricity plugged into our van. So
Okay.
we can use that. They have a way to lock this too. Through this hole, then you can lock it up so people can't take your stuff.
What are you doing?
I am taking the air. When you hook up the water from outside, you have to get the air out so it doesn't splash around.
Okay.
So now we're on city water.
Cool.
Perfect.
Okay, cool.
This is the device that shows all the levels that we're at, for one thing. But sometimes it doesn't tell the truth. So for propane, we're at 2/3. We filled it up in February, I think, so we don't use much propane. Our freshwater tank is at 2/3, so we're pretty full with fresh water, and we could add more here while we're here. Black is at 1/3. Gray is also at 1/3. So we don't need to empty anytime soon.
Okay.
This also, we've got the light we can turn on, the inverter. Yes, the inverter, which gives us electricity for 110 voltage. This disconnects the battery if something's wrong. This keeps the step that we used outside just constantly out unless we're driving. This turns on the water pump, which we don't need right now because we're using regular city water.
Yay.
The patio light turns on the light of the patio. The awning we will show you some other time when it's really sunny out. We don't need an awning right now, but we have a beautiful little covered patio thing we can do.
谢谢你。
Look at her.
Look at these two. Silly, huh?
我是Tai Shan老师. I've been teaching English at California public schools for 23 years now. Since we've had a beautiful day in San Clemente, playing in the ocean, I thought a good idiom would be to get your feet wet. Again, idioms don't say what they exactly mean. So we got our feet wet today, but if someone says to you, get your feet wet, they may be talking about something else. To get your feet wet usually means to become accustomed to something that is big that you are not used to doing. We often use this idiom when we're trying to encourage someone or ourselves to do a task that we think is beyond what we're used to or we're capable of. I did not originally plan on being a teacher when I went to school. I didn't like to speak in front of large groups of people. But once I got out of college, I started tutoring in physics and math and English, and did it for several years and really started to enjoy myself and thought maybe I could teach to big groups. But the best way for me to test this was to get my feet wet by substitute teaching. So, if there's something that you want to try, but you're afraid it might be too difficult, don't commit all at once. Try a little bit. Just go out there and get your feet wet. And that is your idiom for the day. From beautiful San Clemente, I thank you. This is our grate we're going to cook on.
It's like a griddle.
These already have fuel on them, so they're very easy to light.
I see fire.
Yay.
That's a good sign.
Yes, it is.
It's beautiful. It smells so good too.
Yes, it does.
Hey, honey. I feel so warm.
Yes, that means it's working.
So awesome. But we still cannot cook yet, right?
No, the fire's too strong now. We're just waiting till the coals get really well heated, and then it'll be time to cook.
Okay.
Tonight, we are featuring spicy bulgogi. Pork bulgogi, I think.
Looks so good already.
Coals are almost ready. It's a little soon, but we want to get
Oh, could you
started.
please wear gloves, please? Please,
No, not
please.
For this part, we don't. I just set it down. Get out of here.
Look at that. 这个是我们在99大华超市买的，已经事先都腌好的。
Holes right there. So that's a hole.
Okay.
So it's drain that liquid.
How about on this side? Can you poke a hole?
No, because it's just solid underneath.
Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah, you can poke a hole. I forgot about it's a griddle.
Yeah, but what you could do, if you want to be smart,
Yeah.
like this.
Okay.
This is my theory.
Ooh, dump some juice there.
Trying to.
Did you? Okay.
Aha! You are surprised.
Oh, now it looks much better.
Yeah. Good evening. Welcome to the epilogue. Well, I just wanted to let you know that the pork bulgogi turned out great. Wonderful. Steam rising up, little crispy bits on it. It was wonderful. It was delicious. We ate almost all of it. It was so good that we forgot to actually film it. But trust me, picture it in your mind. You can see it coming off the fire, the steam rising. so good. Anyway, I just wanted to thank you all for watching and going through all the way to this part. Well done. You made it to the epilogue. And wish you all a good evening. I would like you to like and subscribe. Please, please like and subscribe and make nice comments. And have a good day and good night and goodbye.